Hi everyone, my name is Dave Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and in this exercise we're going to show you the very simple process of how to set a background color using Dreamweavers. Okay, very simple. Okay, if you're familiar with the Properties panel, go ahead and bring that up. If you don't have it up already, go to Window, and then go ahead and choose Properties. And you're going to see here there's a big button in the lower right of the panel called Page Properties, and you see a number of different things there, including your background color. Okay, you might even want to put in a background image, but for this case we're just going to put in a background color. I'm going to click on this little square right there, and it's going to give me a whole palette of different colors to choose from. So it gives me a little preview, it gives me the hex value and all those different things, and maybe I'll choose kind of a off-white, and then basically you're done at that point. Click OK, and then you can see it there. Okay, maybe not my ideal choice, and I probably want to work on this logo a little bit, but that's pretty much how you do it at this point. Okay, and you can also do it directly from your panel as well, but I want to introduce you to the Page Properties button so you can see all the other ones, but you can do this one as well if you'd like to, and it changes it in real time for you. Actually, I misspoke. Yeah, okay, that's for the cell.
Okay, I'll cut it out. I'll cut that part out.
Okay. All right.
All right.
So I can come back to here.
Okay.
And then, okay, so yeah, and then you're pretty much done at this point. So good luck and have fun with that. And by the way, if you do want to change the background cells for each individual table element, you can do that as well within that, and that's actually staying right here on your Properties panel. And then you can just change that one if you'd like to. And then I have my different cells right here, and I can change those to different colors. Okay, maybe kind of a lighter gray, etc. So you have those options to do that as well if you don't want the entire background to be. That's for the whole page, and what I've just showed you right there, that's actually for individual cells. All right, have fun and good luck. All right, well, that concludes our exercise on setting the background color using Dreamweaver. Hope you enjoyed that. Once again, my name is Dave Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and you can look me up on Yelp.com under San Francisco Computer Tutors, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.